Welcome to our channel, and in this video I will teach you about the Kraken cryptocurrency exchange. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video, but before we start, I want to tell you that all the links you will need for the Kraken currency exchange and for this video will be down in the description. Now let's dive right into it. So first of all, when you get to the Kraken cryptocurrency exchange, you will get to this screen where you can create an account, sign in, which we will get into a little bit later. But apart from that, you can also check out all of their features, prices of your favorite cryptocurrencies, their new upcoming NFT marketplace, the Learn section where you have crypto guides, videos, but also podcasts, support if you need help with the cryptocurrency exchange, futures and institutions. The Kraken cryptocurrency exchange is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there, with very strong security and a lot of markets to trade in. So the main question is obviously how to actually create an account on kraken.com. Well, as I said in the beginning, on the top menu right here all the way to the right you will find create an account. If you press that, it will bring you to this screen where you can very easily create your own account. Start by putting in your email, pick a username to your liking and a password up to all of the security standards which you can see right here. Then your country of residence, wherever you reside right now. Agree to the terms, and that way you can easily create an account, and after this you only need to activate it with an activation link in your email and you can get started with trading on Kraken. Alright, so one of the most important things if you actually want to trade on a cryptocurrency exchange is obviously their security. So let's talk a little bit about Kraken security. Kraken has industry-leading security. They safeguard your funds, NFTs, and maybe most importantly, your privacy. Now, some of the ways in which they do that is by having a world-class security team, but they also have a safe coin and NFT storage, which means that 95% of all deposits are kept in online, air-gapped and geographically distributed cold storage. Apart from that, they also have platform security, where their servers reside in secure cages under 24/7 surveillance and secured by armed guards and video monitors. In other words, very safe. They have penetration testing, so they have their own team that actually tries to get into the Kraken cryptocurrency exchange and hack it in order to prevent that. And they have information security. So all the sensitive account information is encrypted at rest at both the system and the data level. And at the bottom of the page, you can also find some more of the tangible security features, such as two-factor authentication, email confirmations for withdrawals, and apart from that, many more things. Now on Kraken, you can also easily stake your cryptocurrencies, where you can earn up to 23% yearly on your crypto. So you can just get the staking assets on the Kraken cryptocurrency exchange, select the asset that you want to stake, and earn the rewards very easily once you have logged in and once you get into that screen. So some of the tokens which you can actually stake are down here, such as ADA, Atom, Ethereum 2.0 already, and Flow. Now, one of the most important things if you actually want to trade on a cryptocurrency is obviously liquidity. Without liquidity, you wouldn't be able to trade. So on Kraken, you have high trade volume and maximum cryptocurrency liquidity. So what exactly is liquidity? Quickly, so liquidity refers to how easily an asset can be bought or sold at a stable price at a given market. So for example, you want a Bitcoin, can you easily buy it, and are you actually able to buy it for the price you see on the screen? So on Kraken, the main reasons what actually drives that liquidity is that there, first of all, is high trading volume. Kraken is a huge exchange, a lot of people trade on it. But apart from that, they also have low fees, making it very easy and tempting you to actually trade a lot. And apart from that, they also have a lot of active traders together with more funding options, altogether driving the liquidity of the Kraken currency exchange. And quickly, I do want to remind you that all the links you will need, again, will be down in the description. So as we already said, there are a lot of active traders on Kraken, and therefore you can also use margin trading, where you can trade with leverage, allowing you to increase your profits, but also taking on a little bit more risk. So let's check that out. So if you actually want to trade on Kraken, what you can do is you have a leverage up to 5-to-1, which means that you can trade with 5 times more the capital you have and which you should put up for collateral. Apart from that, they also have low rollover fees and high margin limits, allowing you to trade with a lot of margin. And they also have a pro trading interface, allowing you to manage your positions easily with their intuitive trading platform and advanced order options. So here you can quickly see a list of all of the cryptocurrencies you can actually use while margin trading, which goes all the way from Algorand to Bitcoin down to Kusama, Monero, and a lot of tokens, as you can see. Now, one of the great things on Kraken, I think, is their learn section. This actually allows people new to cryptocurrencies to learn more about crypto, but also about Kraken. So some of the things they have is podcasts. The Kraken cryptocurrency exchange has their own podcast. You can also find videos about news, about cryptocurrencies, but also about all of the features on Kraken itself. And apart from that, what I think is the most interesting one is you have crypto guides. So from all of these cryptos, you have a guide as to what they actually are, how to buy that, and how to sell it. So I always think that's an underrated part, because on Kraken you can actually now learn while trading. So as I said quickly in the beginning, there's also an NFT marketplace coming on Kraken soon. So if you press NFT on the top menu, you'll get to this screen where you can join the waitlist. Now obviously NFTs are very trending in the whole crypto industry, so it's amazing to see Kraken actually being innovative and jumping onto the NFT train and creating their own marketplace to capitalize on NFTs. And that says a lot about the company Kraken too. Now, apart from their own exchange, you can also follow them on Twitter, which I would strongly suggest. You can follow them at KrakenFX, where you can find out a lot about Kraken. For example, new podcast episodes, what is going on with their NFT marketplace, but they also post these threads with more information and education on cryptocurrencies. Alright, so with that we have reached the end of this video. In this video we talked about the Kraken cryptocurrency exchange, how to actually create an account and start trading on it, their security, staking, liquidity and margin trading, and how that actually works and what you can do in Kraken. We also talked about their learn section, so how you can learn while actually using Kraken, and we talked about the upcoming NFT marketplace for Kraken. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments about things I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.